Ah, ah. A lot of people ask me what sort of cameras I use for all my shoots. So what I normally carry in my little bag of tricks right here, waterproof case, is a GoPro Session. I mainly use that for underwater shots with a long pole. GoPro Hero 7. This is really my second camera that I actually mounted everywhere around the boat as when I need it. And another GoPro 7 in this housing here. On this casing here, I've got GoPro mic adapter attached to a DJI mounting bracket that has a Rode microphone, so I can actually get better sound without all the wind buffs with this dead cat. So this goes primarily up there on the center console on a pole mount. This is on a flexible mount, gooseneck mount, that I actually mount everywhere around the boat. I also have a floodlight that's got a GoPro connector, and I either have this on my cap in the morning, early hours, or around where I need to shine some light when I shoot. And also, last but not least, is Insta360X 360. So this gives me a 360 view, as you probably have seen in some of my videos. I've got it extended out on a big pole, and it gives me a drone-like film sequences. So Hero Session on a floating mount, so I actually dip it in the water so I can get underwater footage. Then the main camera goes onto this Railblazer pole, so this gets attached rail mount just like that. The Lowrance Elite TI7. The 7-inch is big enough for me for my center console. Doesn't take up huge space. I'm fairly close to where I am when I'm actually seeing the screen, and this is linked to my motor guide so that I can actually control the GPS functions, navigate to a certain spot, or hold GPS lock. I can control all that on the Lowrance sounder. As for my tackle, I pack fairly light. All I have is really this box here, so comparison with my hand, it's fairly small. At the top I've got some sabiki rigs, and in the sandwich plastic bag, zip bag, I've got some pre-made rigs that I can actually quickly use on the go. Box of tiny soft plastics so I can catch bait. Some bits and pieces. It's here quite nicely. And then on this compartment I've got 3 boxes of tackle. Over here all the small lures. Got all the hooks, all the jig heads and swivel. wide range of weights, sinkers. Very compact. That's all you need in and out of the boat as when it's required. Then I've got a box full of more serious lures. As you can see right there, some larger ones, some of the ones that I want to just get it quickly washed up and dried after each session. So all I do is this box has got holes all around it. After the hard fishing day, you simply flood it with water, drain it, and it drains itself, and you get clean.